Assalamualaikum and very good day. So we are in the part 1 of the chapter 1 of operational research. So as I mentioned to you, the objective of operational research is we try to achieve the optimal solution. So what is an optimal solution? Optimal solution is the optimization to get the maximize profit, or we try to get the minimize cost or risk. Alright, so for the first chapter, we will cover 3 subchapters known as decision analysis. The part 1. Second part is the engineering economic, and the third part is return of investment. Okay, ataupun the MOQ, minimum order quantity to run the production. Alright, so now we go for the first chapter. So first subchapter, the first subchapter is decision analysis. Okay, so decision analysis is talking about the when we have to make some decision. So what is the first part? What is the first criteria we need to analyze? Okay, right. So if you are working as a process engineer, product engineer, equipment engineer, manufacturing engineer, so you will face some of the situation. So where is the situation is we want to do the machine replacement. Why we need to do a machine replacement? So we have 5 factors why we need to do the machine replacement. Number 1 is deterioration. So the performer, the decline the performance, okay, due to the wear and tear. Okay, the equipment compared with the other identical for new one. So sometimes our machine is obsolete. So why obsolete? Due to the technological change. Okay, and sometimes what the situation will happen is inadequacy. So inability of company to make a new product. Okay, another factor is our working condition. The old equipment create unpleasant working condition, and depletion. So loss of market value. Okay, so when this situation happen, we will do some analysis to do the machine replacement. So when we are doing the machine replacement, what is the first factor we need to consider? Okay, so the first factor we need to consider is the sunk cost. Okay, sunk cost. What is sunk cost? Okay, to calculate the sunk cost equal to the present book value. Okay, sunk cost present book value minus trade-in value, present realizable value ataupun the trade-in value. Okay, so the sunk cost cannot be recovered. Why? Because any past cost unaffected by the any future decision called sunk cost. Okay, so what is a sunk cost? Sunk cost, we try to compare the present book value, our asset value, the machine. What is the value? The value of the machine currently, which the first cost of the challenger. What is the first cost? The first cost of the challenger. The first cost of the challenger is a present realizable value or trade-in value. Okay, so we have here 2, defender and challenger. What is challenger? What is a defender? Defender is the owner of the machine. Challenger is the supplier who want to supply us who want to supply us a machine. Okay, in terms of trade-in value, we need to compare the trade-in value with the present book value, and that situation, that comparison, we call it sunk cost. Okay, from the sunk cost, we can calculate either we are in the profit or we are loss. Okay, that's why the first criteria during the decision analysis, we need to calculate the sunk cost. Alright, so how to calculate sunk cost? Present book value minus trade-in value. Alright, trade-in value we can get from the supplier. How to calculate the present value? The book value. The book value is the formula for the book value is purchase price minus depreciation time and well. Okay, purchase price, how much we purchased last few years. Okay, depreciation is the value per year of our machine. Time N bar. What is a N bar? N bar is how long we use the machine. Okay. Alright. To calculate the depreciation equal to the purchase price minus salvage value. Okay. Purchase price, how much we purchase the machine last few years. Salvage value, if let's say our cycle time or our lifetime of the machine can enlarge for the 10 years. So if we use until 10 years, we can sell our machine with some value of money. Okay, and divide by N. N is the lifetime of the machine. Okay, this is the formula, the equation you need to remember. You need to understand how to use this machine, this formula. Okay, let's see one example. An equipment was purchased 3 years ago. Okay, an equipment was purchased 3 years ago. So this is the N bar. Okay, and for the age, for the 12,000, the price is 12,000, and the lifetime of the machine is 8 years. So here is N. Okay, the salvage value is 1,600. AOC, annual operation cost. AOC stands for the annual operation cost, is 3,000. Straight line depreciation has been used for the equipment. A challenger, now supplier come to us and offer for the 11,000. New machine price is 11,000. Trade-in value is 7,500. Okay, trade-in value is 7,500. This is the price we need to compare, offer to the old equipment, our current equipment. Challenger estimated lifetime is 10 years, while the service value estimate to be 2,000, and annual operation cost is 1,800. So the question now is what is the sunk cost? Okay, how to calculate sunk cost? Sunk cost equal to the present book value minus trade-in value. So we have a trade-in value. Trade-in value 7,500. Okay, from here 7,500 the trade-in value. So what is the book value? So how to calculate the book value? The book value, first thing we need to calculate is a depreciation. Okay, depreciation, the value of the machine per year. Okay, so the depreciation is a purchase price minus salvage value divided by N. Okay, purchase price, we bought our machine last 3 years is 12,000, and salvage value is 1,600, and N is 8. Okay, 12,000 minus 1,600 divided by 8, we get the answer is 1,300 per year. So what is mean 1,300 per year for the depreciation? That means the value of our machine has been reduced 1,300 per year. Okay, we are divided equally for the 8 years. So that means the value of our machine per year has been reduced 1,300. Okay, so what is the book value? How to calculate the book value? The book value is purchase price minus depreciation time N bar. Okay, purchase price, we bought our machine last 3 years is 12,000. Okay, minus 1,300 times 3. Why times 3? Because we are using our machine is 3 years. We bought our machine last 3 years. Okay, 1,300 times 3, that's mean 3,900. We are lost. Our machine has lost the value 3,900 per 3 years. Okay, so purchase price 12,000. So 12,000 minus 3,900. Our current book value is 8,100. Okay, now this is our book value. So now we compare with the sunk cost. What is sunk cost? Sunk cost is the present book value minus trade-in value. The present book value 8,100 minus the trade-in value 7,500. So the answer is 600. What is the meaning of the 600? 600 means we are lost 600 due to the sunk cost. Okay, because of the book value, the comparison between book value and trade-in value. Okay, so the book value is 8,100 and the trade-in value only 7,500. So that means here we lost 600. Okay, so this is the sunk cost. Let's see another example. Okay, the machine was purchased 2 years ago. The machine was purchased a year ago. So this is the N bar, which for the 10,500, with the estimated lifetime is a 4 years, and it's a 4, and annual operation cost is 1,000, salary value 200. The machine has been set up for the company. Okay, so now what we need to do is we want to change the machine. We want to do the machine replacement. So why did the difference between example 1 and example 1.1 and 1.2? Example 1 is we have one challenger or one supplier. Example 2, we have 2 different supplier, from the supplier A and supplier B. That means 2 different suppliers offer us to change our machine. Alright, so what is the important here is we want to compare in terms of trade-in. Supplier A, the trade-in value 7,000. Supplier B, trade-in value is 8,000, 6,800. Okay, the rest of the information, the price 10,000, 15,000, AOC 2,000, 1,000. Estimated lifetime is 4 years for both, and salary value is 500 for A and no salary value for B. Right, so how to calculate this one? Alright, so in the current machine, this is our portion. We need to compare, we need to calculate what is our book value. Okay, depreciation, purchase price minus salary value divided by N. We bought our machine last year, 10,500. Salary value is 200 divided by 4. That means the value of our machine is 2,575. The loss value of our machine 2,575 per year. Okay, so the book value is a purchase price minus depreciation times N bar. So that means 10,500 minus 2,575 times 1. Okay, so the book value now is 7,925. Alright, so we compare the sunk cost between supplier A and supplier B. Supplier A offer us the trade-in value is 7,000. So that means the sunk cost is 7,925 minus 7,000. The sunk cost for A is 925. Okay, the sunk cost for B 7,925 minus 6,800. The supplier B offered us 6,800. So the sunk cost for B is 1,125. Okay, what is the mean here? So that's why sunk cost is the first thing, the first criteria when we need to evaluate when we want to do the machine replacement. Alright, so based on the sunk cost comparison, we haven't go for the other element. Now the first element is the sunk cost. Based on the sunk cost is we are choose supplier A, because supplier A we lost 925 only, compared with the supplier B, which is the loss is 1,125. Okay, this is the first element. We just compare in terms of sunk cost only. The rest of the analysis will go for the next subchapter. Alright, so that's is about the sunk cost, or about the decision analysis for the sunk cost. Thank you very much and see you again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.